Hey, this is the boat doctor out here in a 24-foot tournament boat. Everything seems to run good. The fan, the heater works, stereo doesn't, oil pressure's working good, temperature, this thing is running cool. Red light kind of keeps on at an idle. Once in a while when you bring it back, it sticks up high a little bit. I'll mention that to them. Volts is good. Temperature, like I say, it's barely even reading on the needle. Fuel gauge is working. The lights are working. The blower's working. The courtesy lights are working. The nav lights are working. Horn's working. And I'll pull this back and hit it. Hit it in reverse. There we go. Then we'll bring it back. Bring it forward. And check her out. Nice boat. They're deep. They're making these a lot deeper. The old ones were shallow. Like I say, the manifolds are running real cool. No leakage. There's full throttle. Like I say, the temp hasn't moved. Here running a little bit more, sure it doesn't get hot, but it seems to me it's running pretty cool. So I'll make a blast for the past up here. I let it idle for a while, and I'll check her again when I get done. Yeah, it cuts through that pretty good. All right, boat doctor out.